everyone, this is Timmy, and welcome you all to Timmy-Crypto. As you all know what we do on this channel, we bring to everyone free crypto updates, a free way of earning crypto, and also airdrop, the latest and newest airdrop. That's what we talk about on this channel. Without wasting much of our time, what we are going to discuss about today, we are talking about Dash Coin. The free bot that pays free Dash Coin. So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to our Telegram bot. See how the bot works. And so this is the name of the bot, free Dash Claim. So what you just have to do on this bot is to access the bot. Launch the bot. When the bot is launched, complete a simple task, that's by joining some of their channels, then follow their Twitter. Bonus, as you can see, is mandatory. So after that, you click on start, then you verify the bot with your faucets email. So after you have done that, then the bot will open fully for you. So here is where you can see your balance. As you can see, I'm having 0.006, and yeah, you'll be able to claim some bonus from the bot. You'll be able to claim some bonus, but I've already claimed mine, and it's every 24 hours, so you can only come back after 24 hours to claim another bonus. And here is the referral. So in the referral, you will be opportune to have 0.00015 Dash Coin when you refer one person. So multiply by maybe 20 if you can get 20 referral. 100 referral. Like me, I've already referred 20. So if you can get 100 referral and so on. So, and you know how much that would be. And here is where to withdraw. So this is it. As you all know, in this channel, we do our things with proof. So when we earn, we try to withdraw, and when the withdrawal is confirmed, we bring it up here for you guys to see. So today we are going to withdraw this coin into my faucet account to see if the bot is truly legit or not. So if you haven't joined this channel, please try subscribing, and also like, share, comment, tell me your best crypto. Do where to subscribe, do where to like, and do where to share, because this is the only way you guys can help me and trigger me up to bring up more video like this on free ways to earn crypto, and also on the latest airdrop. So without further ado, let's withdraw some of this coin. So if you want to withdraw, you click on receive payout, then you type in the amount. As I'm having 0.006 Dash Coin, as you can see, they are telling me the maximum withdrawal, that's at once, is 0.0007. So we're going to do this like maybe 4 times or whatever. Let's just try and see if it really pays or not. And you can dash withdraw, then 0.0007. As you can see, it's successful. So let's try it again. So successful. So let's do it that time again. That time. 0.0007. So as you can see, the theory is already paid. They said withdraw paid successfully. So let's head over to my faucet account and see if it truly pays or not. So please do well to subscribe, do well to like, and to my returning subscribers, shout out to you, very grateful, and I say a big thank you for supporting me, for supporting the channel. And also I would like you to comment in the comment section somewhere. So just confirm the verification. Also, if you don't have a faucet pay account, I'll be dropping the link in the comment section. Also the link to this bot, so that you can join and access the bot. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, this is it. We get it. This is 1, this is withdrawal 2, and this is withdrawal 3. So this is a big confirmation for me and you that the bot is still paying as at now. So do well to jump on it when it's still paying now, because all these bots, they always have an expiring date. So thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel. I wish you all peace.